Hello everyone, today we will discuss about operations on rational numbers, in which we will first discuss about addition of rational numbers. Now we are having some cases. Case 1. When the denominators of the given numbers are same. For example, if you are having two rational number a by b and c by b, and we want to add it, here we are having same denominator. So what we do to add this, we are having same denominator, so we will write common denominator here and we will simply add these two numerator a and c. For example, if we are having two rational number 4 by 11 and minus 8 by 11, and we have to add it, then how will we do that? We will just write the common denominator here 11 and we will simply add 4 and minus 8 plus minus minus, that is 4 minus 8 equals to minus 4 by 11. So what we will do, we will write the common denominator in the solution and we will just simply add numerators. So this is case 1 when we are having same denominator. We are having case 2 when the denominators of the given number are different. To understand this, let us take an example. We are having example, we have to add minus 3 by 4 and 5 by 6. Let us write it properly like this. Now how will we add it? We are having different denominator here. So to solve it, first we have to take the LCM of the denominator, that is 4 and 6. Let us do that. Let us take its LCM. 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. Okay, then 2 1s are 2 and 3 1s are 3. So we are having LCM of 4 and 6 equals to 2 into 2 into 3, that is 12. Now we will try to make equivalent fraction of both the numbers, that is minus 3 by 4. Now we have got denominator as 4 and we have got it LCM as 12, so we will try to make the denominator as 12. So we will multiply this 4 with a number which will make it 12, that is 3. 4 3s are 12, and since we are multiplying 3 in the denominator, so we will have to do same for the numerator also. Here, if you remember, this is the method of finding equivalent fraction. So we will get here minus 9 by 12. Now we will do same for the next rational number, that is 5 by 6. We will try to make denominator as 12, so we will multiply it by 2 in both numerator and denominator. Since we have multiplied it by 2 in denominator, so we have to do same for the numerator. This is the rule. So we will get 10 by 12. So how will we add it? Now we can add it directly as minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6 can be written as minus 9 by 12 plus 10 by 12. Now we have make it a common denominator. So just like that, when denominator is same, how we add it, we will do the same. We will write the common denominator here, and that's minus 9, then minus 9 plus 10. Now we will get 1 by 12. Here you can do it in more simple form, as we can and you can write it alternate method. How? What you can do is, you have to just add minus 3 by 4 plus 5 by 6. You have taken it its LCM as 12. You will just write 12 here, then we will copy minus 3 into something plus 5 into something. This is my own method how I can I solve it. So we just divide this 4, that is denominator, by its LCM. 4 3s are 12, so we will write here 3. Again we will divide the next number, 6 2s are 12, we will write here 2. Then we will solve it, and again we will get the same process here, same step, and again our answer is 1/12. So this is how we solve it, just by taking LCM and making it equivalent fraction, or you can try using my own method.